let's color. Well, I'm going to color with my pencil. So I'm going to color in gray. What I'm going to do actually, because I've set them up this way, I'm going to do, instead of going across, I'm going to go vertically, and you'll see why in a minute. But here goes. We're going to shade the portion of the Venn diagram that corresponds to each of these. So A intersect B. I want to know where A and B overlap. So what do A and B have in common? Well, here's the A circle, here's the B circle, and this portion right here belongs to A and B. And I'm going to keep going and color that as well. Now, you might say, why'd you color that middle part? I colored that middle part because it's part of the A circle and part of the B circle. But it's also part of the C circle. I know, but it's part of the A circle and it's part of the B circle, and that's what I wanted. Okay? Now, when we come down here, and I say A intersect B complement, I want everything except A intersect B. So if I want to complement, then don't. If I want to compliment, then I'm just needing flattery. Sorry, couldn't resist the joke. But if I'm wanting a compliment, then don't shade what you shaded earlier. Like, I don't want this. I want not that. I want everything else. So all this outside the circle, yeah, because it's not in here. It's not in the A intersect B part. This is the worst coloring job you ever saw in your life. It's terrible. I have some students that just check off the regions, and they'd be like, yeah, that one and that one. And that's cool, but just make sure you get them all. Make sure your marks are clear. My goodness, this is a mess, isn't it? There's a little secret. I hated coloring in elementary school. Some people love it. I just get anxiety trying to get everything. You got to go all in one direction. I'll go all in one direction if I want to go in one direction. Tell me how to color. There we go. That might have caused you anxiety trying to watch me color. And see, I'm outside the lines or inside the lines. Oh, well, we'll do this faster next time. Let's move on. Okay, A union B. A union B would be the A circle and the B circle. Now, not where they intersect. That was this one. So A union B is the A circle. And it's the B circle. What about that? Yep, it's that too. So it is what we graphed a minute ago, or shaded a minute ago, but it's everything else also that's in the A circle or in the B circle. So here we go. That's A union B. Now, if we move down, we'll see A union B complement. So it's basically not what we just shaded. It's everything else. So here goes. Oh man, I'm struggling, and somehow I'm okay with that. So basically, when you color this, you better not color in the A circle or the B circle. Don't color either one of them. All right, next one. B union C. B union C. B union C. So I'm going to color the B circle. I'm going to color the C circle. All right, if I move down, it's not the same problem. Ha, I fooled you. Actually, if I move across, it is. So you can figure out what this one is. But A union C complement. Oh, A, C. If I was going to do this without the apostrophe, without the complement, I would have A, C, color them in. But I don't want that. I want everything else. It's going to be the worst coloring job you ever saw in your life. There we go. So that's sort of my final answer. I say sort of because it looks sloppy. But I better not color anything that's inside the A circle or the B circle, or C circle. Now, what about this little part? It's in B. It's fine. It's fine. But this little part is also in A. Don't color it. This little part is also in C. Don't color it. All right. Here goes. B union C complement. That's the opposite of this. And I'm going to go with the worst possible way to shade. I would not shade anything in the B circle. I would not shade anything in the C circle, but I will shade this one and this one. There we go. That's how you color. That's how I'm going to do this one because you're probably tired of my terrible coloring. All right. A intersect C. I'm going to do it wrong, and then I'm going to fix it. A intersect C would be everything that A and C share, which would be this region and this region. And because, and that's wrong, because of the complement, I want everything else. So let's shade, not those, but everything else, including that region.